Now it says time and it says daylight. So this says time is daylight. And you would say it's daylight here, it's daylight here, it's daylight here, and it's daylight here. People who sleeps in those territories faces the soleil this way in this type of axis here, and the soleil just gets them here for 1 hour and then says you are skunt, you're imbeciles, get to this side, not get here and die. That's all. Now this, now this, now once we do this part, how am I going to get to this part now? So what I have to do is do this here and say we have a situation as where very fun has to be voila. And it would say based on time we have ignored daylight. So this part says this type of asterisk seeks this to tell them so. So do we have one person doing this? And this is this here. Why would you want to steal the work of another? You cannot be a successful businessman stealing. It gets to you, and what you're going to do when you make billions is try to steal or try to get this broken to get in here and explain why you stole. Now, if you become successful based on one, two, three, how are you going to explain this part if you stole it here to explain? Now, when you explain, do you put the person in a garbage bag and leave them there? Or do you pay 1 trillion? Huh? 1 trillion. Now, once I get to this part, based on time, daylight, we have ignored. So I would say I could get rid of this part here, this part here, and put time and then time daylight. And this part, I just need 1 trillion. So let's say that this is the dot of the SUN, SUN, and this part is daylight, DAY, and this part is time. Time would be something of this here, and then it seeks nuit. Did I say this part here? When it's nuit, I said don't go there, you will die. Okay, I'm not seeking night here, I said nuit. So this part here, I am not drawing anything. So this would say st. Now once I get this as the sun, then I would say this type of thing not, I would say it stuck. This says time, day, die, die, and stuck. with time. So we're getting a ticking of clock, tick, 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 tock. And it should not be. We should be on minuit. All. And never move. Your body starts to disintegrate. Your body starts to pelt you. Your body starts to destroy you. Now, I wouldn't say so based on a this way, and then you would say go and live. So it would say okay. Now it would say not. It would say not he. Now it would say stuck, and when it's stuck, it doesn't move. So what happens is that time says and then it seeks to destroy this. It seeks, it just stays this way, 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 this west, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. And what you have is a this way, something of this nature. Oh, I said not to go here. What is this? So it's for contemplation here. This way. Now let's get rid of this here. And seek. Does it necessarily go here? And it comes to this here. Now, when this is doing this here, it's this way, this way. So this way, this way. This way. Is it like a songe? Oh, so when it becomes that way, it has to this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Oh, now this way 6, this, this way. And that's the end of the lesson for today.